If I could go back and talk to the version of me who sold her first UGC clip in 2022, I'd tell her there is a massive business engine here that almost nobody talks about. I thought UGC was just about making quick, funny videos for side cash, but I didn't realize that if you connect the dots, it can actually be a full-time six-figure business. Today, I'm walking you through 17 hard-won lessons I wish I knew before I ever pitched or priced a single piece of content. Whether you're brand new to this or feeling completely burned out, consider this your permission slip to stop, reorganize, and build with real intention. First, premium pricing starts with premium thinking, because brands aren't just buying a video, they're buying an asset that can drive thousands in sales. Second, you need to understand whitelisting, which is letting brands run your content as an ad, and you absolutely must price that as a premium add-on. Third, hook variations are worth more money, because testing different openings is how you prove you're a growth partner, not just a freelancer. Fourth, never give away your raw footage for free, as those files are incredibly valuable assets for any brand's repurposing strategy. Fifth, humor is a goldmine in your portfolio because it shows brands you understand emotional hooks and can really connect with an audience. Sixth, involving multiple creators or actors in your content commands higher rates because it provides more authenticity and social proof. Seventh, remember that story beats will always outperform glossy, overproduced editing every single time. Eighth, practice writing product scripts until you can do it in under 90 seconds, using templates to speed up your muscle memory. Ninth, use B-roll to reinforce your specific message, because pretty filler shots are useless if they don't actually move the argument forward. 10th, avoid over-editing, because when an edit is too busy, your main message disappears and you lose the viewer's attention. 11th, swap your camera angles every few seconds to keep the viewer visually engaged, especially in those critical first few moments. 12th, stop posting day-in-the-life content for other creators and start showing brands your actual work, setups, and results. 13th, treat your portfolio like a sales tool for the specific clients you want, rather than a trophy case of everything you've ever made. 14th, don't waste time on platforms with big follower counts that don't convert. Focus on channels like direct outreach that actually drive revenue. 15th, protect your piece by setting your own delivery timelines based on your availability, rather than letting clients burn you out. 16th, focus on getting rehired by the same clients, because recurring work is the secret to scaling your income without constantly chasing new leads. 17th, build systems for your pitching and delivery, because your business will fail without a repeatable workflow. Now, let's pivot to the practical side of how I'd rebuild this business from scratch, starting with better tools. First, stop wasting time on manual editing and use technology that helps you scale, rather than forcing you to stitch clips together one by one. Second, automate your scheduling, because if you're manually posting every single clip, your growth is being throttled by your time. Third, consolidate your pipeline, because juggling 5 different apps for editing and analytics just kills your creative flow. Fourth, stop relying on expensive human editors for every little task and use tech that can do the heavy lifting for you. The game changer for me was finding a tool that automatically pulls high-performing moments from long videos and turns them into ready-to-post clips. If I were starting today, I'd prioritize a fast scripting template, batch recording, and an automated pipeline that doesn't require me to babysit every single edit. You don't need to struggle through every mistake I made, because with the right systems and an asset-first mindset, you can actually build a real business. Audit your own workflow today, find what steals your energy, and automate those parts so you can actually create instead of just doing admin work. That's my 17-point breakdown, plus the 4 practical steps I'd take if I were rebuilding my UGC career from the ground up. If you want me to do a deep dive into specific tools or show you my exact pipeline for automating clips, drop a comment and I'll make that next.